Hey YouTube, it's Ellie, Small Water Fishing and Survival. Back today because I was cleaning out the garage and I found this. This is a kit that I made, a belt kit in an old cell phone case a long time ago, 5+ years ago. I haven't opened it, I don't even remember what's in here. It was sitting in my garage and let's look at it. So it's a 4-piece kit if you count the case. It had basically a throwaway multi-tool, it looks like. Yeah, it's got a fish scaler and flathead, Phillips head, and a can opener on that side, and it's just a fish scaler, not a saw. It's bottle opener, another screwdriver, and awl, and then not even that sharp of a knife, and then just the normal pliers with the cutters. I don't even know how much this thing costs, but I can tell you it feels cheap compared to my Gerber. I mean, look at the size difference of these things. Okay, Gerber, it's right there, it's ready to open. You gotta mess around with this. This is my works job, Gerber. This is when I was first starting to get into this. And then, Altoids 10 and a Camel Snus. Yeah, this is when I smoked. Oh yeah, listen to that seal. Okay, I'm remembering now. These are little first aid pods. Neosporin, peroxide, and rubbing alcohol. Yeah. And iodine. Yeah, there's iodine in there too. Well, let's get some of these out. Yeah, there's iodine, rubbing alcohol, Neosporin, and I'm going to guess peroxide. Cool little, and a couple band-aids on the bottom there. You can see a couple band-aids. Alright, so that was basically my little first aid kit. So now, Altoids 10. Let's see what's in this. A little lighter. Some 1-inch Gorilla Tape. Probably 8 feet or so. My little pocket first fishing kit. Bobber, some hooks, some line, a swivel, a leader, and 2 little L brackets to make like a reel. Two zip ties to go with that, or other uses, and if I can get it out of there, piece of aluminum foil. So, man, the way my mentality, like, you can't even get these band-aids out of here properly. That's funny. So it has some circle band-aids, some little butterfly band-aids, and a couple regular band-aids, and then this little tin. So that shows that I was at least thinking when I made this of somewhat wound care. I mean, this is the kit. plus years ago. A little belt kit. That's funny. You know, things you find when you're going through stuff, you know. So, yeah, 5-year-old kit, little first aid and fishing kit. Cool.